Hey everyone, I wanted to come on real quick and do a quick little video about a fun geography unit study that I put together for my kiddos for our upcoming road trip to Disneyland. So we are leaving in 4 days to drive from Boise to Anaheim. It's about 800 miles and about 14-hour drive. So it's quite a ways. We've done this trip before. So right now the kids are really into geography, so I thought it would be fun to tie in some map skills and some fun things about California and make a little unit study out of it. So I wanted to share with you what I did. Okay, so I found, I don't know if you can see this, this video, this DVD on Amazon. It's Where on Earth is Carmen Sandiego. It's all 40 episodes. I'm really excited about this because I remember watching this as a kid and I thought it was really cool. So I thought, why not use it for our Disneyland trip? So we'll pop it in while we're driving and see how the kids like it. I don't know if they'll like it or not, but I hope they do. So there's that. Let's see what else. And then I'll come back to that in a second. And then we're going to be working out of our Evan-Moor Daily Geography, grade 2. My kids are in, Logan is in 2nd grade-ish. He's kind of all over the board. And my daughter Claire, she is in 4th grade-ish, and she is also all over the board as far as curriculum grade level. So I just found that this grade 2 worked pretty well for both of them. So anyways, so there's a couple of lessons in here that I'm going to copy and take with us, and we're going to do in the car, and I will show you what they are. So this first one is called an amusement park, and it's broke up into 5 days, and then on this side it gives the synopsis of the lesson and some key vocabulary words and some fun things. And then on this side there's like a drawing of an amusement park and a basic map. So I thought, why not? I thought this would be perfect for Disneyland. So yeah, so there's that, and then we go throughout. So it's broke up to like for daily things, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we'll just kind of work on it, in the car, when we want to. So there's that one. And then the other one, let's see here, is on the state of California, since we will be in California. Same layout. Kind of just look over here, California, and I just throw these in my copy machine and just make copies for the kids, and then I plan on sticking them on a clipboard, and then we'll just kind of keep them there and we'll use them throughout our trip. So there's that. So then I have been wanting to make this project for quite a while. And it's all kind of wiggly. So this project took me pretty much all day to do, and I don't know if I'll do it again. So what I did, let me look at it first. I don't know if you can see all that. So what I did is I went on to maps.com or Google Maps or whatever, and I printed out the directions where we're going, and I did the route, and then I went ahead and did a screenshot of where we're going, and then I saved it on my computer, and then I opened it up in a Word document, and then I added some points of interest. So I added like a star roughly where every 100 miles would go, because I get asked every 5 minutes, where are we? When are we going to be there? So I thought, oh, hey, we've gone 100 miles. You can see where we're at, or 200 or whatever. And then I tried, so up here where the pink tabbies are, and then down here. So this is where we start, and then my address is up here of our house. Didn't want to show that, obviously. And this is where we're going to end. We're actually going to go visit some friends first, so that's their address. So, and then I made a map key over here, and I just color coded everything. I like how it turned out. It just took forever. So I the mile markers I did in yellow, and then the green are major cities on the map. And then I did orange for all the states that are in view. I did blue for the state lines, and then the big purple one in the middle is how long roughly it should take us to drive there and how many miles. And then I took a red permanent marker and just outlined our route, and then did the cardinal directions on it. I didn't have room for east, but I thought the other three were on there, so that'd work. So yeah, so this took me all day, and I think looking back now, it took way longer than what it needed to be or take, but I'm glad I did it. Oh, and then I laminated them. And at first I wasn't going to. I was just going to hand it to them, and then I was like, I'll just print more again when we go back down to California again in a couple of months. But it took quite a while to get all the writing in and highlighting, and I made 3 copies. So I laminated them so they can get stepped on and just left in the car and just leave there. So I hope this works. So there's that. Let's see what else. And then I wanted to share, whoops, stuff's falling over, some other stuff that I picked up for our road trip. So I picked up some DVDs. So I picked up this one, Schoolhouse Rocks. I've never seen this. It was $1.99 at Hastings, so I thought it was worth checking out. So I did that one. We did the Disney Adventure Oceans. I picked this up at Costco, so I thought it looked fun. And then I did the Disney Adventure Earth, also at Costco. And then I picked this up also from Costco. It's the PBS Kids Reading Rainbow set. And again, this is one that I grew up on. I have no idea if the kids will like it. I hope they do. So that's what comes with that. So yeah, so I'm super excited about trying out our new geography series in the car. I hope my kids like it. They asked for stuff to do in the car, so they specifically said, let's do some school stuff in the car. Let's continue to work on our geography stuff. So I ran with that and just pulled some stuff together. So yeah, so I'm hoping to be able to video along the way while we're in California and on the road trip, and just kind of throw in some fun Disneyland stuff. So, okay, I think that's it. Thanks. Bye, guys.